All right, so this think pair share is to use some of the calculator skills that I just previously showed, sorting and indexing a data set using your calculator. So by indexing, what I mean is after you've sorted a data set, indexing means the first datum has an index of 1, the second datum has an index of 2, the third datum has an index of 3. The fourth datum has an index of 4. Okay, so uh, that's how you can correctly answer, what is the sixth datum? If we were to look here at the sixth datum, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 1.91. But when you say what is the sixth datum, that usually only refers to the sixth datum of a sorted list. So you can see that this list, this data set, has not been sorted yet from smallest on the left to highest on the right, because it looks like the smallest number is 1.645, and that should be the first value here. And the highest number is 1.91. That should be the last in this data set. So that's why we got to take this data set and sort it in order to find the sixth datum. And also by sorting it, we'll be able to tell really easily which datum actually occurred with the highest frequency. Okay, and then the answer down here is just to put your sorted list down. So let's first look at this at the in the Texas Instruments calculator. So we want to go to the list editor. So hit the stat button, edit menu, edit option, enter. And so I've gone ahead and I went ahead and put all of the datums in the data set in list one. Okay, this has not been sorted. And looks like there are 9 datums altogether, right? Because I can select the last one I entered, and there's a little 9 here, which means that's row 9. Okay, so to sort this, I need to hit Stat. I want to sort this in ascending order. So I'll choose Edit Menu, Option 2, Sort A. I'll hit Enter, and now I'm going to put in list 1. So second, L1, right parentheses. Hit Enter. Okay, it sorted it. So let me go back into the list editor by hitting the Stat button, Edit Menu, Edit Option. And now I wanted to know what the sixth datum was. So what I can do is I can go until it says L16, because that would be the sixth row, like that. So 1.82 is the sixth datum. All right. Then the other question was, which datum has the highest frequency? And so when we look at this sorted list, we can see 1.65 occurred twice, 1.78 occurred 3 times, and 1.83 occurred twice. So the datum with the highest frequency would be 1.78. 1.78. So if we come back over here, yes, the sixth datum was 1.82, and which datum occurs the most frequently? 1.78. And then in order to write down the sorted list, we would just come over here and write the list or the random variable data set in this order. Okay, and that's in sorted order from lowest at the top to highest at the bottom. Now to do a similar thing with the NumWorks calculator, we can go into the statistics app and here I've got all of the datums for the data set entered into column V1. So now I'm just going to come up here to column V1, have that selected and click OK. And I want to sort it. Okay. So now I have to count. I don't think it gives me kind of any indication of which row I'm in. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's the sixth datum in the data set. It's 1.82. And then you can see that the datum 1.78 occurred with the highest frequency. There are 3 1.78s and only 2 of the 1.65s and 2 of the 1.83s. So 1.78 occurs with the highest frequency. And that's what we had here with these two parts. What is the sixth datum? It's 1.82. Which datum occurs the most frequently? That's 1.78. And so to write down the sorted list, you would just come over here and just write down each of these datums one at a time in that ascending order, smallest at the top to highest at the bottom. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.